Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my Canva Masterclasses 2026. Today is the lecture number 17 of Module 3 and the topic is layers in Canva. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about layers in Canva. Layer. So firstly, we would open Canva. Canva.com. Okay. Layers are one of the most important concepts in graphic design because every element you did, such as text, image, shape, icon, and stickers, are placed on its own layer. Understanding how layer work will help you create your design clean, organized, professional design. So let's get started. So firstly, I will open a template. Instagram post. No, select a blank template. No, we will not select a blank template. Today we will select a template. This one. Customize the template. So, right now all these elements are stuck on the top of each other like menu, nude. These are top on the each other. Okay? Each one is the separate layer. Learning how to control this layer will make your design more easier and to edit. So click on Position from the top toolbar and now select Layers. Okay. Here you can see every object used in the design. Each item appear on the layer. Instead of clicking around the canvas, you can select the item from here directly to this panel. Okay. So, click different layers in the panel like I will click text. You can click image, click shape, and click background. I think background is this. Oh, yeah. Okay. This is especially useful when the multiple objects overlap each other and are difficult to select on canvas. Then this feature is most useful. Okay, drag the product to the image layer above the colored shape. Select these all are one image. Let me move the shape below the text. This shape is on top of the text, that's why it is not showing on the screen. Changing the order of the layer change what appear in front and what appear in behind. The top layer is always visible above the layer. Now, how you can hide this shape or selected item? You can hide by clicking on Hide option. Let me tell you how. Select the object. If your canvas variant is spotted, the visibility eye icon, it will obviously show. Let me check my variant. Enable layer. No, my version of Canva did not spot. So that's why it's not showing me. Okay. In your version, you should check that the hide a layer option is showing or not. Let me check by one more method. Now, my version of Canva is not spotting. You should check your version. Does it is spotting to hide your image or hide your text? Okay. So, hiding a layer let you temporarily remove if your view is deleting or object. or without deleting. You can hide your layer without deleting anything. This make edit large project much easier. Now there's one more option. Go to position, select the background, and now left click and lock background. This is very useful for protecting your background while editing other element. Okay? It cannot move or edit accidentally. Click unlock. Now left click and unlock background. You can unlock the layer anytime when you need to edit your layer. Now select the element and you can also duplicate. Okay? Duplicated layers save your time when you need a similar object. If you are no longer need element, simply delete that element. So real-time example, arrange layer in order: background image, canvas, overlay, project image, header, price tag, call to action button. This layer order keeps the design clean, is sure every important element is visible. Common mistake that always beginner do: text hidden behind an image, button behind the background, project covered by the shape. Then fixed each issue using the layer panel. If something disappears from the design, don't panic, simply check the layer panel and rearrange. If it is showing in the layer panel, then nothing is deleted from your canvas. Pro tips: keep your background on bottom layer, place text on the top of layer for better readability. Lock important layer before editing. Use the layer panel when working with complex design. Organize your design before exporting. So your practice is, you should practice how to open layer panel, rearrange the layer, unlock and lock the background, duplicate object, and then your homework is done. Good job. Today we have learned what canvas layers are, what layers are in Canva, how to open the layer panel, how to select and reorder the layer, how to lock and unlock the layer, how to duplicate and delete layer, how to organize a professional design using layers. Mastering layer will make your Canva workflow easy and organized and much more professional. In next video, we are going to learn about transparency. And let me tell you, in our upcoming lectures, we will learn lock and group in detail and duplicate also in detail. So don't panic if you don't understand in this lecture. In upcoming lecture number 19 is lock and group and 20 is duplicate. Okay, now tomorrow is lecture number 18, which is transparency. Goodbye, Allah Hafiz. If you have any question, let me know in the written section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in next lecture. Bye bye.